Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It is very nice to meet you again at the platform of online sport program that has been established by the AppSex. This video tutorial is for class 6 computer science and the week number 14. Textbook required E-Skill Learner Level 6 page number 125 module number 4 working with numbers. Topic under the discussion is calculate your expenses, that is based on project work. Resources you required for our today's lesson are textbook, computer as well as MS Excel software version 2010. Let's move toward our today's objectives. By the end of the video, you will be able to format the table on MS Excel, use simple formulas like sum, average, min and max by typing them. Skills will be focused on applying simple formulas like sum, average, max and min. Students, I had assigned you a home task in the last class. Hope so that you have done enough research for that and met the correct answer. I am going to share the answers over here. Question number 1. What will happen if we use plus sign in the start of formula except equal to sign? And the answer is use plus sign at the start of Excel formula is exactly work like equal sign because plus was used in the oldest version of MS Excel. For example, Lotus 123 software. Question number 2. How many rows and columns does an MS Excel worksheet contain? And the answer is MS Excel contain rows from 1 to 1,048,576 and the columns from A to XFD means 16,384. Students, it will be very useful information for you. Dear students, recall all the information that we have done in the previous class. So let's recap. Step number 1. Make the list of the things that you need for the refreshment. Step number 2. Create a table on MS Excel. Step number 3. Merge the rows and insert the headings and subheadings in the table. Step number 4. Insert data. Step number 5. Calculate the total price of product. Step number 6. Use the autofill tool. After revising the last two instructions, we will start from the instruction number 3 today. So let's move towards the step number 7. That is highlight the costly products with red font. To change the font color, step we need to follow are select the food items which are costly, means cell or the range of cells. After selecting, click on the font color button and select red font color. Look at the font color is changed. Second part of the step number 7 is highlight the less costly products with green font. Same procedure will be followed to change the font color, but at that time you have to select green color for less costly products. As you can see that the table has been formatted according to the instructions. Let's move towards the step number 8. Calculate the total price of products. To find out the total price of the product, click on the specific cell where you want to display sum. Here you can see I have selected cell E9. Type formula is equal to sum and write down the cell address in the bracket. As you can see on the slide, is equal to sum E3 to E7. You can also see the sum formula in the formula bar. After writing the formula, click enter button from your keyboard. You can see the total price of the all products is 2350. Step number 9. Calculate the average of the total. Select the specific cell where you want to display average. Type formula in the selected cell is equal to average and the range of the cells in the bracket like E3 to E7. After writing the formula, click enter button from your keyboard. You can see the formula in the formula bar. Here you can see in the E10 the average of the total product has been calculated. Step number 10. Underline the most expensive product. To find out the most expensive product, we will apply max formula. Again click on the cell where you want to display max. Type the formula is equal to max and the cell addresses or the range of the cells, for example E3 to E7. Press enter button from your keyboard. Here you can notice that the ice cream is the most expensive product. Select the ice creams row and press underline button, or you may press Ctrl+U from your keyboard. Step number 11. Underline the most cheapest product. Again click on the cell where you want to display min. Here I selected E12. Type the formula is equal to min range of the cells E3 to E7. Press enter button from your keyboard. You can notice that juice is the most cheapest product. As the instruction is given, we have to underline most cheapest product, so we will underline the juice product by clicking on underline button or by pressing Ctrl+U from your keyboard. Now the given instructions has been completed. For the submission of project work, you have to follow some other instructions. And that is, please present your work along with the written form that is as follow: week number, subject, date, project name, resources, step followed, step number 1, 2 and so on. Who helped you? Write thank you note for the person who helped you for the completion of this project and attach this note with your assignment. Mention website that you have visited for research and any other document as an evidence. Note: submission of project work in the form of written assignment is mandatory. Success criteria of our today's lesson is: save your work frequently. Select the cells carefully while working formula. Follow the instructions carefully for the completion of project work. Let's see what we have done today. Today, firstly we have done formatting of table by changing the font color. Secondly, we apply formula sum, average, min and max to calculate the total price of product. Message of the day is study like there is no tomorrow. Because if you keep putting off your studies from tomorrow will be probably be too late. Thank you students and Allah Hafiz.